In this in-depth tutorial video, we take you through the complete process of fixing loose roof ceramic tiles using a simple, efficient, and professional method that anyone can follow, even if you're not a construction expert. If you've ever looked at your rooftop and noticed that some of your ceramic tiles are starting to come apart, shift, or wobble under your feet, it's time to take action before the problem gets worse. Loose or detached ceramic tiles on a roof not only affect the appearance of your property, but also pose serious risks, including water leaks, structural damage, and safety hazards. Our step-by-step guide shows you everything from identifying problem areas to safely removing the old adhesive, preparing the surface, selecting the right tools and materials, and reinstalling the tiles with precision. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a professional builder, or simply someone looking to improve your home, this video will serve as a complete guide to mastering ceramic tile reinstallation on rooftops. We begin by showing you how to spot the early signs of ceramic tile detachment. You'll learn the visual and tactile clues that indicate a tile is no longer properly bonded to the substrate, including hollow sounds when tapped, cracks along the edges, or visible lifting. Understanding these symptoms is crucial because catching them early can save you time and money down the road. Next, we demonstrate how to safely remove loose tiles without damaging the surrounding ones. Using the correct tools, including a hammer, chisel, or angle grinder, depending on the situation, we show you exactly how to lift the tile and remove the old mortar or adhesive layer. This part is essential for preparing a solid, level surface where the new tile can be installed. Once the area is cleaned and all debris is removed, we walk you through how to prepare the perfect tile adhesive mix. Depending on your climate and the type of tile you're using, you'll need to choose between different adhesive options, such as thin-set mortar, tile glue, or a cement-based mix. We explain the pros and cons of each and give practical advice on achieving the right consistency and strength for rooftop applications. After the adhesive is ready, we show you the correct method for spreading it evenly on the surface using a notched trowel. This part is often overlooked, but getting the right thickness and coverage is critical to ensure the tile sticks properly and remains level with the others. We explain how to use spacers to maintain proper alignment and how to gently press the tile into place to achieve a full bond. Grouting comes next, and we go into great detail about the best techniques for applying grout between rooftop ceramic tiles. Since outdoor tiles are exposed to extreme weather conditions, it's important to choose a high-quality, weather-resistant grout that prevents water infiltration and expansion cracks. We show you how to mix, apply, and clean excess grout using sponges and water, and we talk about drying times and curing tips to avoid future damage. This video also includes tips on how to match new replacement tiles with old, weathered ones. You'll learn how to blend colors, textures, and finishes to make the repair virtually invisible, giving your roof a seamless, professional appearance. We even share creative tricks for aging a new tile to match the surrounding ones more naturally. 2. Help you complete your project with confidence. We also include valuable insights on rooftop safety. Working on a roof can be dangerous, so we discuss how to use ladders safely, when to wear harnesses, and how to move securely without damaging tiles or injuring yourself. These safety precautions are especially important for DIYers working alone. Throughout the video, you'll see clear visual demonstrations of each step, making it easy to follow along and replicate the process. There's no need for guesswork. We show you exactly what to do and explain why each step is important for long-lasting results. By the end of the video, you'll have all the knowledge and confidence needed to tackle ceramic tile reinstallation on your rooftop, whether it's just one tile or several. This method ensures that the repaired tiles are just as strong, waterproof, and beautiful as the original installation. If you've been struggling with loose or shifting roof tiles, don't wait until rainwater leaks into your ceiling or the problem spreads further. With the right tools, materials, and techniques, You can fix it yourself and save a significant amount of money while gaining the satisfaction of completing a professional quality repair. This video is part of our ongoing series dedicated to teaching real-world skills in tile work, construction, and home improvement. If you find it helpful, consider watching our other tutorials on ceramic tile installation, cutting techniques, marble polishing, terrazzo finishing, waterproofing methods, and much more. We believe in empowering homeowners, craftsmen, and DIYers with practical knowledge they can use to build and maintain beautiful, long-lasting spaces. Thanks for watching. We hope this detailed guide helps you complete your rooftop ceramic tile repair with ease and confidence. Stay tuned for more videos that bring professional construction skills straight to your screen. In the second half of this comprehensive video guide, we dive deeper into advanced tips, common mistakes to avoid, and professional finishing techniques that elevate your ceramic tile repair from basic to exceptional. One of the most overlooked, yet crucial steps in ceramic tile reinstallation on a roof is checking for structural movement. Before replacing the tile, it's essential to inspect the underlying substrate for any signs of cracks, shifting concrete, or water penetration. In this segment, we teach you how to spot minor and major surface issues that could affect your tile bond over time. You'll also learn how to repair uneven surfaces using quickset mortar and how to reinforce weak areas with waterproofing agents and bonding primers. We then move into the realm of tile alignment and leveling. Many homeowners, and even some professionals, fail to align tiles correctly, resulting in water traps, poor aesthetics, and premature wear. Using simple tools like a rubber mallet, level, and tile spacers, we guide you in achieving perfectly aligned ceramic tiles that match the roof's original layout. You'll see side-by-side comparisons of good versus bad alignment, and we explain how even a few millimeters of error can have long-term consequences. To ensure the durability of your work, we also talk about thermal expansion. Since rooftop tiles are constantly exposed to sun, rain, and temperature shifts, it's vital to leave proper expansion joints. We explain the science behind thermal movement, how to leave enough spacing for expansion without compromising the tile bond, and how to seal joints using flexible UV-resistant sealants that maintain integrity over time. In this extended section, we explore various grouting techniques for different climates. For hot, dry climates, we recommend additives that prevent premature drying and cracking. For wet, cold regions, we show you how to apply water-repellent additives to the grout, reducing the risk of frost damage and mold. You'll also learn how to handle colored grout versus traditional cement grout, including how to prevent staining and achieve consistent color across tiles. One major focus of this video is weather protection after the job is done. A newly reinstalled tile needs proper curing and shielding from rain or direct sunlight for at least 24-48 hours. We show you how to create a temporary protective cover using simple materials like plastic sheeting or a makeshift canopy. We also recommend breathable covers to prevent moisture buildup during curing. For viewers who plan to tackle larger roof areas, we provide strategies for batch repairs. Rather than fixing one tile at a time, we explain how to section the roof. Logically, plan your tile layout and work efficiently with minimal material waste. We offer storage and mixing tips for adhesives and grout to avoid premature setting when working under the sun. This video doesn't stop at just repairing. We include a segment on long-term maintenance and inspection routines. Learn how often to check your rooftop tiles for signs of movement, how to clean them safely without damaging the grout, and how to apply protective sealants annually to enhance weather resistance. We also address common issues like mold, efflorescence, and tile discoloration, and how to resolve them using affordable products. Another valuable bonus included in this part of the video is our troubleshooting section. Here, we address real problems that viewers have faced, what to do if the tile pops up after just a few days, How to fix adhesive that doesn't dry properly, why tiles might crack even when they look level, what causes grout to crumble or shrink too. Soon, we also take a moment to discuss sustainable and eco-friendly material choices for those who are environmentally conscious. We highlight non-toxic grouts, recyclable tile backings, and sustainable tile adhesives that reduce your environmental footprint without compromising quality. Lastly, we end the video with a strong motivational message to encourage homeowners, young craftsmen, and DIY hobbyists. You don't need to wait for a professional to fix your rooftop. With the right knowledge, a bit of courage, and simple tools, you can transform a broken tile area into a safe, durable, and beautiful surface. By learning these skills, you're not only saving money, but also gaining independence and pride in your craftsmanship. Whether you're fixing a single tile or preparing to redo your entire rooftop, this video is designed to give you the complete confidence to do the job right, safely, neatly, and professionally. Don't forget to revisit specific chapters in the video when needed and pause to study each technique carefully. Mastery takes time, but with repetition and focus, your skills will improve dramatically. Thank you for watching this extended, detailed video. We hope it empowers you to tackle your ceramic tile reinstallation project with a new level of confidence and success. We invite you to explore our other videos for even more expert insights on tile installation, cement work, terrazzo design, waterproofing, and renovation techniques from real-world professionals. If this content has helped you, stay tuned for more videos full of real techniques, raw craftsmanship, and practical knowledge you can apply immediately to your next building project. Let's begin with the top 10 most common mistakes that even experienced installers can make. Reusing old adhesive or grout. This is a big no-no. Once removed, old materials lose their bonding strength and flexibility. Always mix fresh adhesive and grout for every repair. Skipping surface cleaning. Dust, moisture, or leftover mortar on the base can prevent proper adhesion. Always clean the surface thoroughly before applying new adhesive. Applying too much adhesive. Excess adhesive can lead to uneven tiles and may cause lifting when it expands in the heat. Using the wrong trowel size. Many installers underestimate how important notched trowels are. Different tile sizes require specific trowel shapes and depths to ensure full coverage. Not back buttering large tiles. For tiles larger than 30x30 centimeters, back buttering, adding a thin layer of adhesive to the back of the tile, is essential for full bond. Grouting too early. Allow the adhesive to cure completely before applying grout. Rushing this can cause tiles to shift or settle unevenly. Overwashing the grout. Excess water during cleanup can weaken grout and cause color inconsistencies. No movement joints on large surfaces. Expansion and contraction due to weather require space. Ignoring this causes cracking. Improper water drainage planning. Not maintaining a proper slope on rooftop tiles can lead to standing water, leaks, or mold buildup. 10. Neglecting edge sealing. Exposed tile edges, especially near walls or parapets, should always be sealed to prevent water ingress and frost damage. Now let's turn to some pro tips and industry secrets that will elevate your tile reinstallation job to the next level. Use anti-slip additives in the final grout if your rooftop is accessible or walkable. This provides extra safety during rainy conditions. Pre-soak tiles in clean water for a few minutes before installation. This prevents them from absorbing moisture from the adhesive too quickly, especially in hot climates. Score the base with a chisel or grinder if it's too smooth. This gives the adhesive something to grip onto and ensures a stronger bond. Tint your adhesive slightly, using oxide pigments to match grout, or tile color when installing in visible areas. Use a damp sponge and a soft bristle brush for final cleaning. Avoid metal scrapers that can scratch tile surfaces. Always check for hollow spots after installing the tile by gently tapping with a rubber mallet. If you hear a hollow sound, it means the bond is weak and must be redone before grouting. We also